Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Akari Nimura. Code ALDN149. Released on April 11, 2023. And it has 125 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. The girl was unhappy with her husband because her husband does not satisfy her needs. So every time when her husband went out for work, the girl went to her room and do her playtime alone. Apparently, when the old guy opened the door, the old guy saw the girl doing her playtime. However, while they are alone at home, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.